So acids are, I told you, acids are it's good conductor of electricity because they dissolve in water, they produce H plus ions. That is the one of the properties of acid. So similarly, here the H plus ions which are produced here, HCl, H plus ions here produced, Cl minus is produced. This is H plus ion. This H plus ions which are produced because of the dissolving in water. When they dissolve H plus ion, the H plus ions in they make the acid a good conductor of electricity. Similarly, acid they turn blue litmus to red. You know it. Litmus paper test. In litmus paper test, blue litmus paper turns to red. So acid usually do that. It has that property. So litmus is a type of indicator. Indicator we'll see later. So there are two type of acid. If you take an acid, there are two types: inorganic acid, organic acid. Inorganic acid means these are produced by inorganic compounds. These are produced. Inorganic acids are produced from inorganic compounds. It is also called a mineral acid. Mineral acid. Example: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, phosphoric acid. If you take H2PO4. So like this, they are acid. These are mineral acid. Then organic acid. Organic acids are those acids which are produced in living organism. They are derived from living organisms. So like formic acid may be, malic acid may be, citric acid may be, acetic acid may be. Acetic acid andre ನಿಮ್ಮ vinegar. ಆ vinegar ಏನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು acidic acid ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So acidic acid ಅನ್ನ when we dissolve the acidic acid, it becomes an vinegar which is used in cooking purposes. So like this, these acids are called as actually weak acids. Organic acids are weak acids and inorganic acids are strong acids. At this point, some may have doubt like HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is produced in our stomach. Which is that? Is it organic or it is inorganic? Purely it is an inorganic acid. It is not an organic acid because it is not a weak acid. ನಮಗೆ acidity problem ಆಗೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು weak acid ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು the strongest acid. Strong HCl is a strong acid. It is not a weak acid. That is produced in our stomach, but if it is an inorganic acid, but the corrosive nature will be hampered by our system only. Corrosive nature na ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಉಂಟು ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನೂತನ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ, ನೂತನ್
sir.
So HCl is inorganic or organic?
Inorganic.
Inorganic. So what is the barrier in the stomach which protects our tissues? 8th standard ಓದಿದ್ರ digestive system na? Anybody know that? Please raise your hands. Which is a barrier that prevents the effect of HCl in our stomach? You have studied in 8th standard. So leave it. So that is mucous membrane ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇಂದ. Okay. So like that, so this is the properties of acid. Understood? How these acids are usually produced? Acid ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? See, there are many methods. If you take one method, that is acidic oxide method. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ if any non-metal reacts with oxygen, oxide is formed. That oxide is called as acidic oxide. This is very important. Again, this repeats in metals and non-metals. Remember this. So a non-metal, if it reacts with oxygen, a oxide is formed. That is called as acidic oxide. Acidic oxide anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದು. That acidic oxide, if it dissolves in water, it becomes an acid. So if you take sulfur reacts with oxygen, becomes sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide of formation ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Sulfur is a non-metal. So non-metal if it reacts with oxygen, it forms an oxide called as non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ acidic oxide ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. It is called as acidic oxide ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. I'm repeating once again. So sulfur is a non-metal. When non-metal reacts with oxygen, the oxide is formed. That oxide is called as acidic oxide or non-metallic oxide. When this acidic oxide dissolves in water, they become H2SO4, and this is called an acid. This is one of the method of preparation of acid. I hope it is the board is visible to you. So write it down. If it maybe it is not having in your this acid base chapter, write it down. This is a very important concept because it repeats again in metals and non-metals. Write down this. So this is how an acid is produced. There is one more method. Hydrogen gas ಮತ್ತೆ chlorine gas pass ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so HCl produce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು direct method ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So direct method of producing an acid, direct method ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. There are many 3-4 methods are there. You remember this method because it is essential. This method, acidic oxide method. I hope it is understood. So metal. Preeti.
Yes, sir.
What is acidic oxide?
Sir, ನಾನು ಈಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕತೆ ಹೇಳೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಿಜ ಈಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ.
ಸರಿ. Okay. Be here only.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈಗ
I pray God that network should be available to you always.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿ. Okay. Done. Okay. Yeah, will tell. Banwasi Setro.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಎಂತ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ನಿನ್ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ದಿನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಚಂದ್ರ ಹೋದ್ಲ ಈಗ. Yeah. Sana, can you tell me what is acidic oxide?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
What is acidic oxide? Just now I told something, no, acidic oxide. Repeat that.
Sir.
Shreya Bhatt. Shreya Bhatt.
Sir.
Can you repeat what I told?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Non-metal reacts with oxygen and forms oxide is called acidic oxide or non-metallic oxide.
Okay. Is it clear now? It's clear. Okay. Yeah. I hope you understood this. This is how the acid is produced. Then we'll see set of chemical properties of acid later on. Let me start now. What are the properties of base? Properties of base. Somebody tell me what are the properties of base? Yeah, who will tell? Raise your hands here. Properties of base. Yeah, one. Somebody is raising hand here. This means Sahana. Very good. Sahana. Sahana.
Huh, sir.
Tell me now what?
Bitter to taste.
Bitter to taste. Very good.
Turns red into blue litmus paper.
Red to blue. Okay.
Water soluble bases.
Okay.
Produce hydroxide ions.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Nivedita. Nivedita.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me.
solutions of bases are good conductors of electricity.
Okay.
Some bases are corrosive in nature.
Okay.
Bases are soapy to touch.
Okay. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ಬೇಕೇನೆ
Sir?
ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀಯಾ
Ha.
ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Sir, thank you.
Yeah, okay. So as she said, it is right. Both of them told it is right. Say acids usually bases are soapy to touch. Bases ನಾವು ಸೋಪ್ ಮುಟ್ದಂಗೆ ಏನು ಅನುಭವ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ soapy to touch. So then they are bitter to taste, bitter in taste. Bitterness is one of their property. Then they dissolve in water. Not all bases. The bases which dissolve in water. So bases dissolve in water. Not all bases. The bases which dissolve in water are called. Anish.
This is.
So are you getting my point? What I'm telling you? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Yeah. See, all, I told you, all bases, the bases which dissolve in water.
Sir.
What happened here? So bases which dissolve in water, they are called as alkalis. Bases which dissolve in water are called alkalis. That's why we tell all bases are not alkalis. All bases are not alkalis. But all alkalis are bases. All alkalis are not. So we tell like that. Why? Because that is some bases dissolve in water. They are called as alkalis. Like NaOH is an example for which NaOH is an example. Water dissolving. Then see, if it dissolves in water, obviously it is a good conductor of electricity. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ions produce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Ions are produced over there. ಯಾವುದು H+ ions produce OH ions produce ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. So that becomes a good conductor of electricity when they dissolve in water. Then they are corrosive in nature. So added on point, corrosive in nature. Yeah, some bases are corrosive in nature. Example NaOH, strongest base anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು NaOH ನ. NaOH is corrosive in nature. Understood? Potassium hydroxide, yeah, that is also corrosive in nature. They are corrosive. Some bases are corrosive. Understood? Andre acid ಅಷ್ಟು destructive nature ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. It is not like acid, destructive nature of acid. The destructive nature of base will be very mild if you take, but they are corrosive. We will see the practical session of this chapter. We will see that. I'll show you what is that, how it happens, or when physically you come to class, school, I'll take you to lab and we'll see the soapy to touch nature, sour in taste ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಟರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. We can feel that properties. We'll see that when you come to the school. I hope this a dream of coming school happens soon. So everything get over means. Okay. So like this is the properties of bases. So bases, again one more property, that is litmus paper test. They turn red litmus to blue. If red litmus paper is dipped inside the bases, they turn to blue color. That is the indication of the base. That is the indication of base. So we discussed the properties of base, physical properties of base, physical properties of acid in this session till now. If you have any doubt, you can just ask the question. Otherwise, we will move to the next topic. So I told you base, how the bases are produced. So magnesium is a metal. Magnesium is a metal. Metal when it reacts with oxygen, it forms MgO. Magnesium when it reacts with oxygen, it forms MgO. This MgO is nothing but metallic oxide, or we call it as basic oxide. This is also very important concept of the lesson, because again it is repeating in a metal and non-metal chapter. Very important, it is basic oxide. Yavadaru metal. So if any metal reacts with the oxygen, it forms a metallic oxide or basic oxide. That basic oxide, when it dissolves in water, it becomes a hydroxide, that is bases. Anvit?
Yes, sir.
ಯಾರು ಅನ್ವಿತ ಇದು?
Sir.
ಬನವಾಸ ಅನ್ವಿತ?
Sir.
Okay. Board is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Board is visible now? Any doubt?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. See here. MG plus O. Okay. See here. Yeah. So metallic oxide when they dissolve in water, they become a base. This is how the bases are formed. This is one of the method of preparation of base. So usually, metals and base. If you take bases, if you take acid, what they have common? Acids usually liberate H plus ions, and bases liberate OH ions, hydroxide ions. Hydroxide ions produce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it clear? So basis, if you take HCl, see HCl is an acid. When it dissolves in water, it produces H plus ion, Cl minus ion. If you take, so H plus ions are produced. Similarly, NaOH when it dissolves in water, so NaOH ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Na plus OH minus produce ಆಗ್ತದೆ Cl. So OH produce ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, H produce ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ acids ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Clear? I hope it's visible to you. So like this it is formed usually. Acid ಅಲ್ಲಿ H plus ions proper ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಲೈಕ್ HCl ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ, H2SO4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, HNO3 ಇದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, H2CO3 ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ they have acids will have the H plus ions, H ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, they liberate while dissolving in water. See, this is a so similarly say when HCl dissolves in water, H plus ions are produced. Similarly, this H plus ions, what happens is H plus ions they react with water. To produce H3O plus ions. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ರೋನಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. H3O plus ions. See here, H plus ions which are produced in water. When acid dissolves in water, this H plus ions react with H2O. Water ಜೊತೆ react ಆಗ್ತದೆ, react ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ions produce ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೈಡ್ರೋನಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. We call it as hydronium ion. That is H3O plus ion. H3O plus ion, it's called as hydronium ions. This is a commonly the acids and bases have in common. If you take all bases have hydroxides, hydroxide is there at the NaOH maybe, aluminum hydroxide maybe. And what is the Bhavati, what is the formula for aluminum hydroxide? Bhavati,
Sir.
aluminum hydroxide formula ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? Aluminum hydroxide molecular formula. Pratik, can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Pratik, aluminum hydroxide formula. Bhavati,
Sir,
aluminum hydroxide formula. Yeah. So Al2, so AlOH thrice. AlOH thrice, like calcium hydroxide maybe, potassium hydroxide maybe. All these have in common. If you take, they commonly have OH ions. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, they produce OH ions. It is not that it is not having a H plus ions. Bases ಅಲ್ಲಿ H plus ions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Bases do have H plus ions. Bases also have H plus ions, but the H plus ions produced in the bases are very less. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ H plus ions. OH plus ions ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, OH minus ions ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ.